Chemistry Review Topic 21, Scientific Notation. Let's get to it. So standard notation works for a lot of numbers, but in chemistry, sometimes we work with really large and really small numbers. And then scientific notation makes sense because it's very confusing to try to write 23 or 22 or 21 or 50 zeros. A lot easier to use scientific notation. So when you use scientific notation, if you're putting a number into scientific notation and you move the decimal to the left, you get a positive exponent. I remember left up to you, okay? And then if the decimal has to be moved to the right in order to put the number into scientific notation, the exponent is negative. So I remember it right down the line, okay? So if you are taking a number out of scientific notation and it was a positive exponent, you're going to end up with a big number. If it was a negative exponent, you're going to end up with a smaller number, okay? So that's just real quick scientific notation. It's especially important when we're doing calculations with a mole and we're dealing with Avogadro's number. But that's a quick overview of scientific notation.